To install the Ubuntu 13.10 alongside Windows 7, first you have to select your language and then click the Install Ubuntu button. And if you have the internet connection, you have the option to download updates while installing and install the third-party software. So just click Continue. Then here the installation type, if you want to install the Ubuntu alongside Windows 7, you have to select the first option. But if you want to erase Windows 7 and replace it with Ubuntu, you have to select the second option. And if you want to encrypt the new Ubuntu installation, you have to enable it. And when you click the install now, you have to provide a security key that needs to boot up or to start your computer. Without it, you can't start your computer. And here in something else, you have to manually partition your disk here. So if you don't know what you are doing here, just go back, just click back. And what we want to do now is to install the Ubuntu alongside Windows 7. So you have to select the first option, then click Continue. Here you have you can select or you can customize the allocation, this allocation. But for this example, I don't want it, and so I just click the install now. And if you're not sure, just click go back. And if you are okay with it, just click Continue. Then here in your location, just I will just click my location. I am from Philippines. Then click Continue. Keyboard layout, so I'll just leave the default. And here you have to provide your name, computer's name, username, and password. So you have also the option to log in automatically. That means no password required. And if you want more security, so just select the second option that says require my password to log in. And if you want to encrypt or secure your home folder, enable the encrypt my home folder option. So it's a personal preference, your choice. So for this example, I will require a password and encrypt my home folder. Then click Continue. Here, if you have the Ubuntu One account, you can log in, or you just click the login later to continue. And then the installation will start. Depending on your machine specification, it might take long. So after the installation process is finished, you have to restart your computer. Just click the restart now. And then we will see a grab menu, the Ubuntu grab menu. So you can select here which OS you have to boot. So you have the Ubuntu and Windows 7. So first we will try the Windows 7 to check if it is affected with our installation of Ubuntu 13.10. So we are now booting in our Windows 7. So as normal, we have to provide a username and password. Okay, so we have successfully logged in, and it seems like there's no error or any problem about our Windows 7. So it is not affected by Ubuntu 13.10. So we'll check our file system, our drive C, all is good. Then documents, so all is normal here in our Windows 7. So now let's try our Ubuntu 13.10. So we have to restart. Here in our grab menu, we have to select the Ubuntu, the first option, then hit enter. So our Ubuntu 13.10 is loading, and of course, as we said earlier, we have to provide our username and password. So here my username is Noriel, and I'll provide my password to log in. Okay, so I successfully logged in my Ubuntu 13.10, and that's it. We have successfully installed the Ubuntu 13.10 alongside our Windows 7 OS.